AI is the future of humanity. AI innovations are extremely important for progress, and you can see them in almost every industry. Let's talk about video games. For years, video games relied on predictable algorithms, and today I'm gonna show you the future. In my previous devlog, I made a garage for my racing game, and today we'll make bots that are powered by innovations. So, in my racing game, we have open world with a lot of races that work similar to other racing games. There is player and bots. Player and bots follow gates that appear and show the way. There is a special script that calculates a distance for player and bots. I set special trigger box collider all over the race. Where player needs to go forward, there's one tag, and when player needs to rotate, I choose another tag. It allows algorithm to separate player behavior in different parts of race. When race starts, a special bool sets true, and algorithm collects data. AI needs a lot of data to learn about player and develop a personalized strategy against unique player. Collects average speed on regular race parts when player rides forward, and average speed when player needs to rotate. Also, script collects amount of special powers used during race, how many times player hits bots, amount of overtakes, amount of time while player holds brake, and maybe other data. I was thinking, what kind of AI innovations are actually available for progress? After short research, I noticed that bots usually rely on algorithms and strategies ignoring players' behavior. So it's important for bots to calculate players' personality and unique playing experience. So the first thing my AI gonna do is calculate player's personality. There will be few integer parameters. Add points to different parameters. So I made aggressive, professional, shy, chaotic, and special abilities parameter that will find out does player like special abilities. If player is fast, script guesses that he can be aggressive and professional. If he hits bots, that shows that he's aggressive and chaotic. If he's slow, he's recognized as shy. You can guess what happens if he uses special abilities and if he presses brake a lot. It means he's shy and chaotic. After the special algorithms calculate his overall personality and compare it to previous calculations. It is important to mention that calculations on forward parts and rotate parts are different. For example, more players use brakes when they rotate, so it should bring less points for shy. It's the most important part. Script controls bots speed and rotate every frame update. Bots will use the same trigger as player to find out are they riding forward or do they need to rotate. Also, bots have triggers around them to find out when player is close to them. Also, they see where player is exactly, so that allows them to hit player or go away from player depending on their strategy. We need to write their default behavior that will be customized as AI learns. If bot is on forward parts, it rides forward and rotates wheels to ride to next gate. On rotates, bot is more careful to stay on track. A new strategy for new race is built from these parts. So like this, when we play game more, bots can develop personalized strategy against player. Despite being a little primitive, it's an important step forward, and in my future projects there will be real AI innovations. Also, it's my honor to say that Raceway Sparks is now in its final production stages. It's expected to be released in Steam and itch.io, yay! But there is now more problem. I'm 16 years old, which means I can't have my own Steamworks account, so I'll use my father's one, but itch.io account is mine, and all my games in Steam will be transferred to my Steamworks account once I'm 18. I hope you had wonderful time watching this devlog, and I would recommend to subscribe to behold the final Raceway Sparks devlog, and also a new announce of my game coming soon. Trust me, you don't wanna miss it. Anyway, have a nice day.